Aprova Loan Review 2025 Pros and Cons Detailed Overview. You won't believe how flexible personal loans have become in 2025. Aprova offers online loans with competitive rates, fast approval, and customizable terms, but is it worth applying? The surprising truth is speed. Most people get this wrong by assuming loan approvals take weeks. Aprova provides pre-qualification in minutes, with funds typically disbursed within a few days, making it ideal for urgent financial needs. Another advantage is flexibility. You won't believe what happens next when you see options for loan amounts, repayment terms, and rates tailored to your credit profile. Borrowers can select terms that fit their budget, reducing the risk of overpayment. However, there are cons. Interest rates vary based on creditworthiness, so lower credit scores may face higher APRs. Late payments can result in fees, and Aprova is primarily online, so in-person support is limited. In conclusion, Aprova Loan in 2025 is suitable for individuals seeking fast, flexible, and accessible personal loans. While credit-based rates and limited in-person support are factors to consider, the platform's convenience and customizable terms make it a practical choice for managing short-term financial needs.